Now call on the Minister for Agriculture, Waterways and Sugar Industry, the Honorable Tomasi Tunabuna.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, sir, I thank Honorable Rokamatu for this important question regarding the proposed Regional Agriculture Training Center and Demonstration Farm in Ra. This initiative is a significant step towards strengthening agricultural development, enhancing farmers' education and skill training, and supporting sustainable farming practices in the Western Division. The Honourable Member's question highlights the importance of investing in practical agriculture training and innovations to improve productivity, empower rural communities, and contribute to national food security and economic growth. Honourable Speaker, sir, the Mbulebu Research Station was established in 1936 and initially serves as a key agricultural research hub for pulses, vegetable, banana, coffee and cocoa, and yams. Over time, strategically focuses has evolved to prioritizing root crops and tuber crops, reflecting a national agricultural development priority and food security needs. Situated in the intermediate zone, it experiences warm and humid conditions with a moderate dry season, having an average rainfall of 2,600 millimeters distributed unevenly throughout the year. And this makes it a very suitable location to have a training center. All speakers said the government of Fiji expresses its sincere appreciation to the government of Indonesia for its generous grant assistance towards the construction of this center. This support reflects a strong and enduring partnership between the two nations and Indonesia's valued contribution to Fiji's national development efforts. The tender process has been completed with the contract awarded to Concrete Solution under the design and build arrangement. A draft design has subsequently been developed and presented to the relevant stakeholders agencies for their review, input, and necessary approval. Honorable Speaker, sir, the project will be located in W due to its ample land availability and ideal location. The groundbreaking ceremony is scheduled to take place around August 2026, following which construction activities are expected to commence. This training center and demonstration farm will be the first facility of its kind in the province of Ra, designed primarily to serve the farmers in Fiji and the region. Finally, Honorable Speaker, the center will design and deliver integrated training programs in crops and livestock farming aimed at strengthening food security, enhancing household income, and promoting sustainable agricultural development. This initiative is expected to benefit approximately 74,000 existing and transitioning farmers, including sugarcane farmers pursuing crop diversification opportunities. The Regional Agriculture Training Center is valued at Fiji $12 million and will comprise proposed inbuilt building and training facilities designed to accommodate up to 40 participants per training session, thereby strengthening capacity building and sustainable agriculture development initiative. Thank you, Speaker.
I thank Mr. Honorable Tunabuna. Supplementary question.